You can ask your doubts in comment section. Do like, share and subscribe if you like the video. In this lecture, we will talk about post-fertilization events that will include zygote development, embryogenesis, oviparous and viviparous organisms. After pre-fertilization events, gametogenesis and gamete transfer, and fertilization, zygote is formed. And the events in sexually reproducing organisms that occur after formation of zygote are called post-fertilization events. Before discussing how the development of zygote takes place, that is, before starting post-fertilization events, we will discuss about zygote in very brief. Zygote is the first cell in the life of any sexually reproducing organism. And we can say that life of every sexually reproducing organism start with a single cell, that is zygote. Another very important point about zygote is that it is a link between the organism of one generation and the next generation, and thus it ensures the continuity of species from one to the next generation. Now, starting with development of zygote. After the zygote is formed, its further development may vary depending upon the type of life cycle of organism. That is, the life cycle of organism is haplontic or diplontic or haplodiplontic, and the development of zygote may also vary depending upon the environment to which the zygote is exposed. For example, in case of external fertilization, zygote is formed in external environment and is exposed to external medium such as water. While in case of internal fertilization, the zygote is formed inside body of organism. So, the development of zygote may vary in different type of organisms. In case of organisms with haplontic life cycle, after formation zygote divide by meiosis and form haploid spores. And these haploid spores grow into a complete organism. Here we can understand that the diploid zygote divide by reductional division, that is meiosis, to form haploid spores. But can you tell what type of division will occur in haploid spores when they divide to develop into a complete organism? Try to find an answer in comment section. Then we have another question, that what type of division will occur in organisms in which diploid zygote form diploid individual? That is, in case of organisms with diplontic and haplodiplontic life cycle. In such organisms, zygote divide by mitotic division to form diploid individual. So, in nutshell, we can say that in organisms with haplontic life cycle, zygote develop by meiotic division to form complete organism, while in case of organisms with diplontic and haplodiplontic life cycle. Zygote develop by mitotic division to form complete organism. Now, in case of algae and fungi, zygote become dormant by developing a thick wall which is resistant to damage and desiccation and germinate only in favorable environmental conditions.